We got to Renata. It's the beauty queen.
It's just so
What?
It feels like such a relief to be here.
We're gonna go board swimming. So we should probably go. Alright, we'll see you in Munich. Ready? Good morning! First day. And now we are gonna go have some breakfast. Breakfast number 1. Breakfast number 3. And she's not getting anything.
I got tea and we're sharing these.
Oh, we are. Okay, good.
Just gonna attempt to bite this.
Not gonna be pretty.
Ow. I always wonder how many tourist photos I'm actually in. Probably a lot. I'm just like in photos sprinkled around the world.
Yeah. We found our train, but this is our priority.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, it does smell really nice. Taste it. Just arrived to, oh my god, Montereso. No,
Manarola.
Manarola. And wait till you see the highlight. Oops. The best terrace.
We're literally in a postcard. But now we can be in people's postcard photos.
Here.
I'd be so scared if you dropped that into
It's waterproof. These people over there, they all fish for me. Like imagine with a glass of wine.
or sparkling apple cider.
And just sit here with like a very thick jacket. How romantic would that be?
Is it still on?
Oh god. Wearing 5,000 layers. Right? Should we take some portraits here? I think so too. I'm down for some warm dinner time. I'm not hungry. I just want food. Here we go. Morning. It's such a pretty weather. Blue skies. Absolutely beautiful. It's a little cold. I have like 6 layers. Oh, scenic path. Do you want to do that?
Sure.
We are working our glutes off here. I love narrow alleyways, even though like at dark I'd be so creeped out about it. Is this the right way? Oh, didn't. We headed to Cornelia. She's getting a little flustered. Me too. At least I'm warm now. I'm wearing only 2 layers. We earned our lunch. I would be down for some french fries, which is probably not a good thing. Lunchtime. We got on the wrong train, so we ended up in La Spezia.
We found one of the claw games that are impossible to win.
And we decided that we want that unicorn. €1, 1 try. Would you want to try first? Oh my god, you're doing pretty good! Oh my god, oh my god! Last little exploration in Cinque Terre. We both decided to be less puffy today. Going to go get some gelato, walk around, and then come back, and then leave!
I'm surprised I didn't read it all.
I feel like we always have like
Lucky travel.
I know. This is looking pretty cute.
It sounds like Busch Gardens, honestly, which is an amusement park in the US.
And the church looks cute. Let me show you. There's a church and another football that might come our way.
Oh shoot. Wait, did we tell?
We didn't tell.
We almost died yesterday.
Almost. At night, we were just like walking up, trying to find the church. And then
these kids were kicking a soccer ball around on like the main square, I guess. And then they kicked one like straight at, literally at
us. We were both like, the ball's like as if like slow-mo slowed down on the way. And yeah, we both dodged.
Natural human instincts took in.
We dodged.
And we like.
Yeah. I went to the right side. I don't know if you went. You dodged.
I went to the left.
Okay, I dodged to the right, and I was like, oh my god. I really like the music that they're playing. I wish I did that in every single town. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Maybe see you at lunch. Bye. This is the chef's complimentary entree. Cheers. Cheers.
I'm in heaven.
And the level of crunchiness was.
We breathed in and it was like.
It just smells like literal.
We are gonna walk out the cloud of trouble.
Can this be my perfume? Okay, we're gonna dig in.